What's going on, guys? This is a video talking about the Crosshair V Formula. Sometimes when you hit the CMOS button on this board, it will fry this little BIOS chip right here. We're going to go ahead and switch that out and see if it fixes the problem. You can go to eBay and buy this little chip. So we're gonna switch it and see if that fixes the problem. It was like a $15 chip. It's an older card, but yeah, we're gonna pull this out and get the new one in. If you look, there's a little dimple. Oh, you see that little dimple on the side right here? You're gonna make sure to orientate the new chip just like that. Yeah, it is on there. Just like the chip right there. This chip specifically right here. I'm gonna need to put a little bit extra light on here so I can see. Might have to bend these feet in a little bit. They're a little bit flared out. I'm gonna bend them in just a smidge. Alrighty, we got it in. Had to bend the little feet to the center a little bit better than they were. Here's the old chip. Feet are kind of bent in a little bit more. So you just kind of bend the little feet. Some of the diagnosis problems I was having with this issue of a corrupt BIOS was over here. We have a red light for the CPU. It was coming on. And then under here, the fans would act like they wanted to kick and they would just kind of stutter like this. So we're going to get it all plugged in and see if that fixes the issue. Alright, we got green lights. That's good. That's a good sign. The fans on the thing, they're spinning. Do we get a post? Alright guys, day 2. It's been a pain in the butt. But I've been messing around with the computer a lot and I have finally fixed my issue. Now, I can't guarantee that the BIOS chip was broken, but I can say that we got it going. If you're having trouble with your ASUS Crosshair V Formula, it could be this tiny little, it's called a jumper cap. Now, there's 2 positions that the jumper cap can be on. Pin 1 and 2 for default. Pin 2 and 3 to reset the BIOS. So this thing is supposed to be on pin 1 and 2 as a default. You take it out and then you put it on 2 and 3 and it's supposed to reset the BIOS. I could not get my computer to boot until I pulled this little jumper clip completely out of my computer. After I pulled it out, it completely fixed my issue. It is located down here on the bottom. Down in this area right in here. You'll pull that little chip jumper clip off, and then my PC booted up perfectly. We have Windows 11 installed on an old computer. There's a lot of videos you can find to get that sorted out. But yeah, guys, we got it going. Like I said, I don't know if it was the BIOS chip itself or if it was that jumper cable. We bought a new CMOS battery. And yeah, CMOS battery, the chip from yesterday, and we removed that jumper cap right here, this little booger right here. So if you guys have this same motherboard and you're having this issue, hopefully this fixes it for you. Maybe before ordering the chip, try to pull this little jumper cap off and see what happens.